Hello, in today's video lesson, I'll show you how to play workshop maps in CS2. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. To activate workshop tools in CS2, open the game. Navigate to settings in the top left corner. Click on the Game tab. Select CS Workshop Tools. Enter the Developer Console and click Yes. Find available CS2 Workshop Maps after. I will guide you on how to play on the workshop maps, as I will tell you about Aimbot's map. Just download and install the CS2 Workshop Maps manually. Feel free to go to the description below for the link about Aimbot's workshop maps. After downloading the map file, move to the game files. I will demonstrate the process of swiftly locating your Steam and CS2 game installation. The Steam folder should be found either on the first or second disk, in case you don't have it installed, like in my situation, remembering that anyone among us could experience things differently. Navigate your Steam folder. Select Steam Apps, Common, CS2, Game, then CSGO, and the Maps folder we're looking for. Copy and paste the downloaded workshop map. Start the CS2 game. Open the console and type map and then the downloaded map name, like Aimbot's in my case, for example. Type map CS2 _M. This connects me to an example workshop map in CS2, as shown in an online example. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.